Ek is David Jaggers. Ek is 35 jaar in Sandparke en ek geniet baie my werk. Dit was 'n klein plekkie, maar dat was baie lekker. Klein plekkie geweest, ons het nie baie toeriste gehad nie. Die kampie was maar klein rondhaveltjies gehad. Maar van 2005 af het het baie verander na ons teerpad hier gekom het. Chalets is in 'n goeie kondisie en mense kom na ons toe. Die stilte wat jy het hier so. En jy is afgesonder van die baie mense. Hier is alles stil. Ons wildkondisie bly baie goed. Wanneer jy uitgaan, die leeu is ons die grootste wat ons toeriste wil graag sien. Eerste ding as jy by die hek inkom, gaan hy vir my vra, waar is die leeu's?
So we saw a huge diversity of wildlife here at the park, and we had the opportunity of seeing an owl. We literally came across an acacia tree, and in this old sociable weaver nest was this spotted eagle owl that was looking straight at us, and you could see the color and the texture in the eyes of this owl, which is just an incredible sight to have seen. And as we carry on driving down the road, next thing we saw one of the, I think it was the ground agama that was on top of a tree, or on top of one of the low bushes, and it was doing, push-ups on the top of the tree. So you can go from an owl to an agama to a male lion running on these sand dunes and the different kind of biomes that you get here. So there's a huge diversity of animals here.
But in a general sense, you most likely would see the antelope, the common game, Gemsbok, oryx, springbok, blue wildebeest or gnu, and then closer to Mata you would normally find the giraffes there, quite success in the giraffes there. But also a nice thing about certain of our night drives, or one of the reasons why I actually came here as well, is for the nightlife, the nocturnal life. So you get that wide variety of nightlife here as well. It's just sometimes not as easy to find them or to spot them. So.
Hulle sê as die sand van die Kalahari in jou skoen ingegaan het en jou voete geraak het, jy gaan weer terugkom Kalahari toe.